Hi all. Today in Python programming we are going to see about operators. This is Dr. S. Vaishnavi from the Department of Computer Science from Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. The content is comments in Python, variable declaration, data types in Python and type conversation, and also we are going to see about operators in Python. So here the commands in Python are nothing but the lines or text that are ignored by Python interpreter during execution. In general, commands are used in programming language to describe the program or to hide some part code of the interpreter. Commands in Python can be used to explain any program code. It can be also used to hide the code as well as command is not a part of code. But Python supports single line comment and also multiple line comment, where Python command serves a documentation within a code and also plays a crucial role. Where the Python making programs where it is more understandable. They can be described in the purpose of function, clarity, complex algorithm, or temporary disable code during testing and debugging. So the next we are going to say about variable declaration. Variable declaration is nothing but it is a named memory location in a particular program where it stores the value. In other words, variable is also a name to refer memory location. Variable also known as an identifier used to hold a value. In Python, we don't know to specify the type of variable because Python is a loosely typed language because it is an easy to code and easy to understand language, and also variable declaration is a fundamental concept in computer science that introduces a variable name and also type to a program, enabling a proper memory allocation, type safety, and also scope management. So we'll move on to the next slide. So where it is called a variable declaration continuation, it is a loosely typed language. No need to specify type variable because the variable automatically changes. Where variable names can be a group of both letters and also digits. They can have the beginning with a letter or an underscore. It's recommended to use lowercase for a variable. Sum and sum both are two different variables. So this is an example of multiple values to a multiple variable, and another one is a single value to a multiple variable. So you can see in the program one example as where we are giving a print A, B and C separately and we are printing the value. So here we are giving the parameters of X, Y and Z and giving only one value is equal to 50. So the print it prints the output like 50 50 for all the parameters. So the next one is variable declaration in Python. So in general, data type specify what type of data will be stored in variable, and also it holds the values of different data types as we have seen. So Python is dynamically typed or loosely typed language, as I have already said to you, and also it binds the value with its type. Python provides us the type function, which enables us to check the type of the variable. So here we are going to see about the string and also the numbers in Python. Python provides the following standard data types. Those are numbers and string, where number stores the numerical values, and also number type variable when a number assigned to a variable. There are three numerical types in Python. They are int, float, and complex. So the example of int I have given. So where int is an integer or a whole number, it can be also a positive number or a negative number, and also the float is a floating point number where the number may be a positive, negative, containing one or more decimals. So I have also given the example for float. So the third one is complex, where the number will be complex, where it gives it has an also the alphabets and also the numbers. So these are the three types of data types in Python. So what is string? The string can be defined as a sequence of character represented in the quotation marks. In Python, we can use single, double or triple quotes to define a string. In case of string handling, the operator plus is used to concatenate two strings as an operation. Hello plus Python, that is hello Python. So string is a Python or immutable, meaning new strings are created when modulations are needed. So the characters or substrings can be accessed using zero-based indexing and the handle slice syntax. So Python provides string methods or common operators like changing case, removing white space, and also searching. So the next slide will move. So this is an example of data types. So here is the type conversion in Python. So Python provides an explicit type conversion function to directly convert one data to another. That is called as typecasting in Python. So as we have seen int, float and string, I have given the int function is converts any data type an integer. And the float function converts any data type to a floating point number. But the string function is to convert any data type into string. So where the operators can be defined as a symbol which is responsible for a particular operation between two operands. Where Python provides a variety of operators described as follows: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and also remainder, and also float division, and also exponent. Where the member operators like in and not in. So these are the kinds of operators we are using in Python, whether it's comparison operators, bitwise operators, assignment operators, logical operators, identity operators. Thank you.